Hello everyone, this is something special when we have angle x and y adding up to 90 degrees, which means that they are complementary angles. Then the following interesting happens, that the sine of x and the cosine of y, they are the same. The ratio is the same. Meaning that sine 40 and cosine 50 are the same because 40 and 50 add up to 90 degrees. Cosine 30 and sine 60 degrees are the same. Ratio, same fraction or same decimal, as 30 and 60 are complementary angles. They add up to 90 degrees. Sine 90 and cosine 0 degrees are the same because again they add up to 90 degrees. Alright, so there's something for us to take note of. And let's move on to explore more examples in trigonometric ratios of acute angles.